Hey all of you guys, how are you all? Please do let me know in the comment section below. So guys, this is the first video for my channel, and as you guys already know that my channel is a study oriented channel, so I wanted to start it with the desk tour, which is a study related video. So guys, this is the desk I have been using since the last 3 months, which is again a reason for why it is not so perfectly decorated, but I've tried my level best to come up with a very productive desk, as I always study, DIY and paint on this one only. So without any further ado, let's get started with the video. So guys, here goes the overview of the wall and the desk area. The wall is basically adjacent to the desk. So this is just an uptouch, and now we'll be going in detail for each of the things around and onto my desk. So let's begin. So guys, once you have a look at the wall which is adjacent, this is the first thing which you guys would see. Basically, this is a clock, and this looks particularly a kind of a vintage clock. I just got it here from a local market shop, and below this we have this arrow which does not have a bow, and if you guys clearly see, this is made out of ice cream sticks, and this is an amazing DIY, and I just after that painted it, and this turned out to be really amazing. Next, I have these kind of printed cutouts and some wall stickers, and one of them is made out by me myself. So this is basically an area where I just put up stuff which is extra with me. Next, I have these two small flowers which just got out of a complete bunch of flowers, and I thought of reusing them here. Next I have this DIY. If you guys clearly see again, these pages are basically old magazine pages onto which I've written this simple word known as focus, because this is the desk which means focus to study. So this is an again amazing DIY which I would always recommend you guys to do. Next, again I have these printed cutouts of these amazing quotes which help me to motivate myself to study. This is one of the paintings which I have made myself, and I just got this framed along with this again printed cutout which I again got framed. So this one is all here. So this whole wall is completed with all these things. Coming down below, this is all the look of the overview of this desk. Now we'll move from the side of the computer and have everything. So guys, this is the computer. It's basically here because I use it for attending my classes, my coachings, everything, because everything is going on online, and I do not use a laptop, rather I use my computer. Now just beside my computer, I have got this again a DIY. This is basically an old lotion bottle which I reused over here. And now I have this mouse, below which I have got my tablet right here. Basically the reason why I have this here is because my mouse does not have this sensibility with my table. So yeah, below this is my tablet. Now here I have this old broken glass. Actually this is a broken glass from a frame, and I am very fond of collecting things, so I just wanted to use this as a glass board, and actually this works pretty well. Below this I have got this mat which has to be washed, so I'm going to soon wash this as well. So this is the whole area. Now just along with this area, I have got this pencil sharpener. It's an amazing thing, guys. It's with me for the past 3 to 4 years, and this has been working amazing, and I hope so this works the same for the upcoming years as well. Now let's quickly have a look on the right side of my table. So these are all 3 cups or holders. The first one contains all the staplers, scales and pencils. Now the next one contains my pens, and the last one contains stuff related to creativity like scissors, highlighters, sketch pens, etc. This is a handy cup which contains some things like erasers, sharpeners, etc. This is basically an ink pot, and this is the charger for my camera battery. Now here are the books. This is basically a pile of books which is used by me for my online classes, and this gets changed on repeatedly along with the periods, and this is a section for my registers because I am in 9th grade and need registers. I guess here I have 3 of them right now. So yeah, that's all for the upper area. Now let's go to the lower parts. So this is basically the area which is used to keep the keyboard section, and my keyboard was not that big. If you guys clearly see, it isn't a little bigger. So I thought of reusing this area for my books and stuff. So basically this area contains all the important stuff, like some stuff to DIY in future, some cutouts which I need to paste on my walls, some file covers and an exam board. So that's all for this area right here. Next, I have my drawer, which contains some really basic stuff. If you guys are also studying in school, so I guess you guys will be very easily able to connect with the stuff all I have right here. I have got hot glue, sketch pens, earphones for, of course, online classes, and very minute and very important stuff as a student. So yeah, guys, that's all here. Now coming down below, I've got these two shelves. Like my desk is not has a lot of storage, so I have to adjust everything. So the first shelf contains all my books which are important and are scholastic. This gets basically replaced by this stack. If you remember, guys, I showed you this stack as well. So guys, this is here. Now below this, I've got all the stuff which is for DIY and some non-scholastic books along with the dustbin. So guys, that's all for my desk. If you like this video, give this a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel, and do let me know about your opinions and suggestions in the comment section below. Till the next video, a very goodbye.